Hello everyone, my name is Michael Lamb and today we're going to talk about how do you go about modifying the button that's displayed below the description, the schedule tour button specifically here, and how do you change it also inside the gallery itself. Now, to do that is actually quite easy. What you want to do is go over to the dashboard itself and edit the actual website. So when you edit the website, you will go to the configure property section, scroll down, and you're going to see the section or this toggle that says enable schedule tour. By default, making brand new websites from Cato, it will automatically be enabled, and it will always turn to use the Calendly link that is available. Okay. Now, if you don't use Calendly, it will use whatever link that's provided in the account settings. So if I go here and go to the settings area, let's jump on over there so you can see it quickly. It's in the account settings. Scroll down, there's a link here that says calendar link. This is where you put in your Calendly link. If you don't use Calendly, you can use another service, that's fine. All it is doing is storing the link of your schedule. Now going back here, in the section of configure property, we see this turned on, and here you can change the label. So perhaps it's not schedule a call, but maybe schedule a consultation, right? Or schedule a phone call. How about that? Instead of a tour, maybe it's a phone call. So when you modify that, it will reflect once you save. Don't worry about the color of the button. That's not something you can modify. It will always reflect and based off of the live chat color. So if you want to actually change the button color, you're going to have to change the live chat. So let's go do that as well. So I'm going to leave the URL here alone. We're going to keep that the same. I'm going to go back up to the chat box, and I'm going to change the color from blue to, let's say, a dark red here. Or brown. Let's do a brown color. So now I'm going to go to review, hit save, and then I'll go back to the website to refresh to see the button be reflected with those changes. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and jump on over to the website to preview here. That's over here. If I scroll down, I'm going to see the button change to red as it reflects the live chat color as well. But the labeling of the button has changed from schedule tour to the actual label that we changed it to, which is schedule phone call. So when you click on it, it goes to the actual Calendly link. If you had a different link, it will just take you to that website link outside of this window. So when I close this up, it behaves the exact same thing. If I scroll all the way up to the top and hit schedule phone, it does the same thing. Now you don't have an option to change the button and move it around. We designed it to be real simple. You don't have to think about this when you're taking photos on your phone and sharing it. This button will be automatically enabled for you if you do have a link inside your account settings. And again, to remind you, everyone, you want to make sure you go to your profile, go to the settings. In there, scroll down to the Calendly link and add in your calendar link. With that said, if you have any questions, please feel free to live chat with us down bottom below. If you have any questions, feel free to book a webinar with us. Be more than happy to support you. Otherwise, see you guys next time.